What's up, guys? Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I've got something special today. So my buddy Jax, he hooked me up with a first-gen Dodge. So this is kind of like a well-worn truck, a well-worn farm truck, if you will. Now, I did this, getting it out of the box. He did an incredible job of packing it, and it made it all this way, and then I screwed it up. Easy fix for me, though. Anyway, I thought I wanted to point that out, that was there when I got the truck. Now check this out. So I even made a cool hood, and it fits perfect. That's awesome. Great job there. So awesome looking grill and paint. Love that. Moving it on around. I'm going to pull the hood off because check this out. I love that. It's so cool. Of course, it's a dually, because of course it is. We even got drive shafts. This is a really cool custom. And really nice flatbed back here. I think we can put a gooseneck. We're going to have to figure out what kind of gooseneck we want to put on this. And there's something. Leave in the comments. Do we want like a seed tender on this? Do we want a like a little grain bed? I've got one of those around here, like a little, or do maybe a flatbed so we can haul stuff with it? What are we gonna do with that, guys? I'd appreciate your input on that. Anyway, the weathering job on this thing, this is my favorite part. The different color fender up here. I just think it's so cool. Like, it's just a neat touch to this truck. This truck is going to be, so you will see this truck on Dogtown forever, guys. Like, there's no way this thing is never, this will always be somewhere on Dogtown doing something, because I just think it's cool. Like I said, I got to fix the mirror. I screwed that up. That was me. But check it out. Like, we got scrapes down the side. Of course, we got the hood that's kind of all kind of messed up there. Just really cool. I gotta ask him where he got this bed, by the way. I assume it's 3D printed, but I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I think it's cool. So anyway, it's a short video. It's hard to talk 10 minutes about a truck, but super cool. There's nothing not to like about this thing. I'm pumped. I just gotta figure out what we're gonna pull with it. But look at that. Look at how it sits. Isn't that cool? Like, it just sits good. It's got like got a little bit of a rake to it. I think it's just awesome. Let's see. Let's see. We just got a flatbed here. Let's what if we had like a Kim tote on here? Oh, I've got a better idea. If I can grab one here. What if? So I'm holding my camera because I kind of misplaced a tripod. This has been the week of technical difficulties around here. It's not good, but check this out. What if we did something like that? What if we made it a water truck? I like that. I think it's cool. I mean, it wouldn't be permanent, obviously, because we still want to be able to put a trailer on there, but man, that's cool. Or here's another. Oh, I've got some. Oh, okay. The ideas are flowing now. So here's another idea. What if we kind of made it not necessarily full-time, but like a temporary service truck? So maybe what I could do is I could make a pallet or two that you could put back here and strap down, and then we could have like some toolboxes or things like that. Ideas are flowing here, that's for sure. Anyway, super cool truck. Love it. Thank you, Jax. You can check out Jax on pretty much all the social media. Hopefully he'll comment down below with his name on the different social medias. It's great. He does a lot of cool little builds and things like this, so you guys got to check it out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like the truck as much as I do. I think it's awesome. And we'll see you next time. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Happy tractor hunting.